We all know it, we all see it. That pesky layer of dust that seems to reappear moments after you've just cleaned it. It's a never-ending battle, right? But guess what? It doesn't have to be. Dust is a fact of life, but a dusty home isn't something you have to accept. With a little know-how and some simple changes, you can say goodbye to dust bunnies for good and hello to a cleaner, healthier home. I'm here to share some tried-and-true tips and tricks I've learned over the years. From quick cleaning hacks to smart prevention strategies, we'll tackle this dust dilemma together. Get ready to reclaim your home and finally win the war on dust. Before we start, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new tips and tricks. So where do we even begin? Tackling dust can seem overwhelming at first, but with the right approach, it becomes manageable. Well, the first step to winning any war is understanding your enemy. Dust is more than just a nuisance. It's a complex mix of various particles. Dust isn't just dirt. It's a sneaky combination of things like pet dander, pollen, fabric fibers, and even tiny microscopic bugs. These particles can accumulate quickly and affect air quality. Knowing this, let's look at some super effective cleaning tactics, strategies that will help you keep your home dust-free and your air clean. Start high, go low. Dust settles on surfaces from top to bottom. This means you should always begin cleaning from the highest points in your room. Always dust shelves and ceiling fans before tackling floors. This ensures that any dust you dislodge from higher surfaces doesn't end up on your freshly cleaned floors. This prevents dust from simply resettling on already cleaned areas. It's a simple yet effective way to make your cleaning efforts more efficient. Ditch the dry duster. Dry dusting just pushes dust around. It may seem like you're cleaning, but you're actually just moving dust from one place to another. Instead, use a damp microfiber cloth which traps dust instead of spreading it. These cloths are designed to capture and hold dust particles effectively. Vacuum. Like a pro, make sure your vacuum has a HEPA filter to trap those tiny dust particles. HEPA filters are highly efficient at capturing even the smallest particles. And don't forget to vacuum regularly, especially carpets and rugs, which are dust magnets. Regular vacuuming helps maintain a cleaner environment. By incorporating these cleaning strategies into your routine, you'll already be well on your way to a dust-free haven. A clean home is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a healthier living space for you and your loved ones. Now that you've got the cleaning tactics down, let's talk about the best weapons in your dust-fighting arsenal. Having the right tools can make all the difference in maintaining a dust-free home. Microfiber cloths. As I mentioned earlier, these are a game changer. They are incredibly effective at trapping dust particles. They attract and hold on to dust like magic, making your cleaning tasks much easier and more efficient. Vacuum with HEPA filter. A good vacuum is essential. It's not just about surface cleaning, it's about deep cleaning. Look for one with a HEPA filter to ensure even the tiniest dust particles are being captured. This will help in reducing allergens in your home. Extendable duster. Don't forget those hard-to-reach places like ceiling fans and cobwebbed corners. These areas often get neglected. An extendable duster with a microfiber head will be your new best friend. It makes cleaning high and awkward spots a breeze. Air purifier. This one is a secret weapon. It works silently in the background. Air purifiers with HEPA filters can significantly reduce airborne dust particles, improving the air you breathe, making a huge difference in your home's overall air quality. You'll notice the air feels fresher and cleaner. Investing in the right tools will make your dust-busting missions more effective and, dare I say, even a little bit enjoyable. Happy cleaning! Prevention is key, keeping dust at bay. While regular cleaning is crucial, preventing dust from building up in the first place is the ultimate goal, right? It's not just about cleaning. It's about creating an environment where dust has a hard time settling. Here are some preventative measures that'll make a world of difference. Small changes that can lead to a significant reduction in dust accumulation. One of the easiest ways to minimize dust is by implementing a no-shoes indoors policy. Shoes can track in dirt, pollen, and other particles that contribute to dust. A simple shoe rack by the door can work wonders. It encourages everyone to leave their shoes at the entrance, keeping the rest of the house cleaner. Wash your bedding, especially pillowcases, weekly in hot water to kill dust mites and remove allergens. Dust mites thrive in bedding, so regular washing is essential. Open windows regularly for at least 15 to 20 minutes to allow fresh air to circulate and push out stale, dusty air. Fresh air can significantly reduce indoor dust levels. Change your air filters regularly, every 1 to 3 months. to ensure your system is running efficiently and not blowing dust back into your home. Clean filters mean cleaner air. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way in maintaining a dust-free and healthy living space. By incorporating these simple habits, you can enjoy a cleaner, healthier home environment. Leave us a comment below telling us about your favorite ways to keep dust on the outside of your home. You know we love to hear from you. Breathe easy, enjoying a clean and healthy home. Imagine walking into your home, taking a deep breath, and feeling a sense of calm wash over you. That's the power of a dust-free home. Not only is it visually more appealing, but it also does wonders for your health and well-being. Less dust means fewer allergens, better air quality, and a reduced risk of respiratory issues. Plus, who doesn't love the feeling of a clean and tidy home? It's time to say goodbye to dust and hello to a healthier, happier you. Implement these tips and tricks, and I promise you'll be amazed by the difference. Thanks for dropping in today, and we'll see you again in the next episode.